MY-S400 multifunctional separator. Right side power switch, equipped with premium LCD display, 4 quick memory temperature settings, 80, 100, 120, 150 Celsius degree, 1 touch switching for fast temperature adjustment, multi-position clamps, securely holds phones of all sizes, from compact to large screens, quick positioning, instant clamping. Includes dedicated frame removal suction cup, adjust suction cup position, activate upper suction to secure screen. 360 degrees free rotation and left or right tilt, multi-angle fixed work platform, features electronic tilt brake, 1 touch lock for tilt angle, rotate micrometer, gently lift screen. When using alcohol solution, liquid flows down naturally, dissolves frame and back adhesive, prevents alcohol seepage near flex cables, safe and efficient frame removal. Curved screen separation demo, with frame. Ergonomic design, optimal platform height, just 10 centimeters, arms rest comfortably on desktop during work, reduces fatigue during long sessions. Removable clamps. Precision temperature control system, rapid, even heating, stable and accurate temperature. Heat-resistant rubber strips on platform sides, safe bare-handed operation, no burns when rotating platform. Built-in silicone sealing ring. Place screen directly on platform, no extra separation mat needed, ensures firm screen hold. Silent dual pump design, when vacuum pump is operating, working volume under 50 decibels. High power strong suction, stable separation, worry-free operation, automatic exhaust and vacuum release when pump off.